Hello? Yeah, sorry. So sorry about that earlier. So like I was saying, so we can just use the first rules if it appears here as our headers using this. Okay. So if we are to click this right now, use first rule as headers. So you see that now it's using 40 premium 2 as headers. All right. You can see it using this as headers, but so that's what happens if for us we didn't have the headers and we had it somewhere here. All right. And so like I said, these are the apply steps. Whatever happens, you can click it and then it will take you back. All right. So this is the one. So now it's taking us back. Do you understand it now? Yeah. So that's what I'm saying, that these things are very much important as well. And then so if you want to remove a column, you want to choose a column split, but there's an easier way to go about this. All right. And then when you go to transform, we have all of this that we can also work on. And then the add column, this place, there are some interesting things that we can do over here as well, but that's for another day. And then you see these things over here. Now these things helps our analysis. Okay, it helps us to, it tells us if the particular column is cleaned enough so that we don't touch it. You don't necessarily touch it unless you really have to. But if you see that everything is valid and there's no error, that means the column is okay to go. Okay, yeah, okay, it means the data type and there are no null values, there are not any errors in those columns. All right, so if there are columns, you can just click on that and then you can click on here and to know what is happening. All right, yeah, so that's what that also is. However, there are a number of things that you can do. So when you right click on a particular column, you see this drop down, see copy, remove. So if you want to remove a column, there's remove other columns. Please don't remove other columns unless you are really sure. Remove duplicates, remove errors, change type, transform, replace values, replace errors, group by. So you can go over this. So replace value, when you click on replace value, so you're simply telling us the value to find. So is there a value that you want to replace? All right, so if there's a value you want to replace, you just type the value here. Let's say if you have something like Amma, you can just type Amma, and then what do you want to replace it with? You want to replace with Kofi, and then once you're done, you click on OK. All right, but we don't have anything like that, so that's it, by the way. And then we have all of this. Now some of you might not have this thing right on top when you open your Power BI transform session, and so what you can do is that if you want to check, you can go to view. Then once you go to view, you realize that mine is on column quality, so it shows the quality of the column, if everything is done correctly or not. If I'm to take this out, you realize that now it's no more there, you don't see it anymore. All right, so for easier access to whether the column needs to be cleaned or not, you just come to view, column quality, and it's going to show you, and then you can just scroll through to check your columns. All right, if everything is okay or if there's some skirmishes or problems. All right, and then once you are done with everything that is supposed to, everything is correct, you click on close and apply, and this is going to load and then take you back here. Right, yes, so it's going to take a while as well, so you let it load, and then once it's done, you are going to find your data here on the right side. All right, yeah, so now it's done loading, so we are going to find it here. That's it. All right, so thank you very much for being here once again. Me, I appreciate it so much. Make sure to like, to share, and to subscribe, as that helps me a lot. See ya.